What's up guys, Gamer Rage here, and today I'm going to do something with my friends. As you can see, we have these cool things. We're not going to use the bullets because bullets hurt, and you know that we don't want any injuries. Ow, stop. Alright, so here's how, so here's how it's going to work. We all like pick like which one we want, and then like we load them up by like pulling this down, and like there are going to be 12 rounds. Four rounds will be me versus Alex, 4 rounds will be me versus Michael, and 4 rounds will be Michael versus Alex. So each round, the person who will not be like competing, they will be like recording in slow-mo so that we can like see like, and then like and while they're recording they have to say like fire, and then once they say fire, the two people who are competing will shoot their gun, and then we'll check the slow-mo to see whoever shot first, and whoever shot first got a point. Whoever gets the most points after the 12 rounds will win, and if it's a tie, then there's like a sudden death round. All right, everyone understand?
Nope. Yes. I'm kidding.
All right, let's get this started. All right, so round one. Fire. What? Okay, Alex won round one. All right, so now round two. Round two. Ready?
Okay. Wait.
All right, ready? Fire. All right. We'll check the video. So for that round, you two like both fired, but you weren't aiming it at each other, so that one doesn't count. All right, this will still be round two. Hold on, let me focus. There we go. Okay, I'll check. Okay, so, Michael won that round, so now it's time for round three. Fire! I think Alex won that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Alright, round four. Fire! I think Michael might have won that one. Alright, round five. Fire! Oh, round six. Fire! So, round six was a tie. Round six was a tie, so we're gonna do it again.
Fire. Fire.
It's high noon.
Round 9, take 3. Okay, get set.
That's 2 times 7.
Fire. Round 10, take 3. Let's just get this over with. Get set.
I think you shot first.
Yeah.
Round 11. Nothing special about the number 11. 7-11. Nice. Fascinating. Alright. Oh, close one.
We both were like really late.
Okay, round 12. Since this one determines the winner, let me do something special about it.
Go ahead.
Alright, alright. I'm gonna trick you guys into firing and only fire when you hear fire. You know that?
Yeah.
Oh wait. So like what you mean is that like you can say other words that start with F, like not the
What
bad
if you say
word.
firefly?
Yeah.
Wait, what if you say firefly?
Okay, no, nothing with fire.
All right.
Okay.
All right. He can say any word, but you only shoot when he says fire. If you
Wait, what if he says like a fire truck? Do we still fire? Does he say
No.
fire?
no, the word fire is
The singular.
All right.
All right, ready. Round 12. All right. Ready, get set, go. Ready. Fast and Furious.
Thank you.
Ready. Fingers. Ready, go.
God.
This is so intense.
Okay, fire.
Dang it! So the final score was like I got 4 points, Alex got 5 points, and Michael got 3. And now there is a punishment because whoever loses has to get pushed into the pool by the person. What? No.
You didn't win though.
No,
Technically you lost.
not that. No, like it doesn't include me because I'm in between. So you're the winner. So you get to push
Yes.
off Michael
Who gets
because
pushed off?
he's the loser,
Okay, let's
and
go.
he doesn't care because he's watching TikTok and stuff.
Imagine
Okay, let's go. It's time. It's time for Alex to push
It's
Michael
time
off.
for the sacrifice.
Go. Nice. It's cold, isn't it? It is cold, isn't it?
My turn.
Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all soon.